Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Raf for Mr. English, and in today's class, we're going to talk a little bit about ordinal numbers. So let's get right to it. Well, guys, what are ordinal numbers? Well, ordinal numbers are used to show a sequence or order. For example, when we have Olympic medals, like first, second, and third places, okay? So usually, Olympic medals are awarded for first place, second place, third place, right? Well, I'm going to help you with the pronunciation of the ordinal numbers, okay? So, please, listen and repeat after me to practice, okay? Let's go. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20th, 21st, 22nd, 23rd, 30th, 40th, 50th, 60th, 70th, 80th, 90th, 100th, 1256th. Guys, one more time. 1256th. It's very important for you to remember that we only use the ordinal numbers in the end of the number, okay? So, 1256th, okay? Well, guys, for today, that's it. Remember to study and always use your English. Bye-bye.